Hey, sixth grade. It's Sunday. I just finished mowing. I'm waiting for Elizabeth to finish on the computer, so Will or I can rock, paper, scissors for whoever gets the next turn on the computer. Just kind of giving you a heads up as to why I'm sitting here looking like this. Keeping it real about what's going on with me. We started chapter 15 today. We started chapter 15 last week on Mexico and Central America. Backtracking just a smidge. Remember 15.1, this chapter starts by saying Mexico, Central America, and the West Indies are often called Middle America because they're between North America and South America, although they're considered part of North America. This chapter, we're studying Mexico and Central America. So in 15.1 and 15.2, you read about Mexico and about the Aztec Indians, as well as some other things about Mexico. Today, you'll read at 15.3, which is about Central America, the land in between. The famous Indians of Central America are the Mayas. So here is what your homework is. There's a couple of different options here. One option is get a piece of paper and draw a chart like this. And I will hold it up here in just a second. But draw a chart like this. And on one side, write Aztec. On the other side, Maya. And in the middle, both. Like that. Now, here's where you get into choices. You can do it on a piece of paper like I did, writing it. And then attach it to LMS. Or you can do it on the computer and attach it to LMS. Or if you're really good with computers and really, really like Venn diagrams, you can do a Venn diagram on the computer. Here is my one rule. Venn diagrams have to be done on the computer. They cannot be drawn. Sorry, but I don't trust you all to do any better than I do with drawing Venn diagrams and making the part where they overlap big enough that I can actually read what in the world you're writing in the middle. So, Venn diagrams can only be done if you're technologically smart enough to do it on the computer. If you decide to do the chart, the T-chart type thing, I don't care if you write it, take a picture, scan it, attach it to LMS, or if you do it on the computer. Either way. But the point being is, you can include the stuff that's in the book. I want you to include the stuff that's in the book. But I want you to go beyond what's in the book. I want you to do some extra research on the Aztec Indians and the Mayan Indians. And then fill in what was unique to the Aztecs on the Aztec column, what was unique to the Mayans on the Mayan column, and then what they had in common in that middle category. Compare, contrast. Except for, I don't know if we're going to take it all the way to making it a paper, but it's kind of the pre-writing of a compare contrast. So I'll give you to Friday to work on that. Seriously bummed because there's some really great books at the public library. There's also a book in my classroom that tells some really cool stuff about the Mayans and the Aztecs, and their early civilizations and their sacrifices and stuff like that. And of course, you can't look at the one that's in my classroom, and I can't get to the coolest one, which is at the public library, but oh well. So that's the main homework. That, doing simple solutions like always. Yeah, today's Monday. Sorry, I'm thinking while talking. And I'll go ahead and assign the simple solutions open book quiz on Monday, but won't be due till Wednesday. So I will see you tomorrow.